Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. I'm here at the Milwaukee headquarters and I'm with Jeff. We're going to talk drill driver kits, and you folks always put together some really nice combo packs, but this is the first time you're doing it with these and it's kind of special.
Yeah, no, we're excited about this one. It's new on the M12 system. So what you have here is the most powerful subcompact drill, the fastest subcompact impact driver, and both are the most compact in class to really get into those tight areas.
Now, one of the things with this combo kit, typically you get 2 batteries, but you're putting a larger battery, an extended runtime battery in there as well, so people are going to get more power, more runtime, and get more work done between charges.
Exactly. More runtime is the name of the game, to make sure that you're not back and forth to the charger, so you can get more done with less.
That's great. Really a nice combo kit with a soft carrying case as well. If you'd like more information, just go to acehardware.com, or better yet, stop by your local Ace Hardware store.